Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Umnakara Aliyu from Recipe Box NG. Today with pancake cereal. So this recipe has been very popular on TikTok and I said I have to try this. These mini pancakes are so fun to make and even more fun to eat. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon melted butter. I'm using salted butter, so I won't be adding any salt into my pancake, but if you're using unsalted butter, you have to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Break in 1 large egg and then add 1 cup of buttermilk. This is a homemade buttermilk and the link to the recipe will pop right now on the screen, and you can also find it in the description box. Mix everything together until well combined. If it's too thick like mine, add a little water, just about 2 tablespoons. This should be the perfect consistency of your batter. To make things easy, we will be piping our pancakes. Pour the batter into a piping bag. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do that right now and click on the bell notification. I post new videos every week. Want to cut a very tiny hole on the piping bag, the tiniest hole you can make. If it's too big, your batter will pour in too fast and you won't be able to actually control this. Have your pan over medium heat. Pipe small pancakes really fast all over the pan. Let them cook on this side for about 45 seconds. You turn them over. Then you let them cook on this side for an extra 15 seconds. These pancakes are very tiny, so they cook really fast. 1 minute is all you need for them to cook. Just 1 minute. If you don't want to pipe your pancakes, you can just use a spoon and spoon them into the pan. This is actually quite slower, but it still works well, and it cooks in a minute also. are done. This is really fun. Add some golden syrup. Oh, I forgot my butter. There we go. Since this is YouTube, I'll be adding more syrup for the fun of it, which I'll also link the recipe to this golden syrup in the description box and also on the card right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe and share. Have fun making this pancake. See you next time.